Okay, in this video we are just going to install Google Chrome in Windows 11. So for that I am just going to use Microsoft Edge and just go with download Chrome and sorry just go with download Chrome, and the first site you got it, you can just go there and here just go click on download Chrome, and thanks for downloading, just a few steps left. So automatic download is not start, so I just click on the download Chrome manually and you can see Chrome setup is downloaded. Now we can proceed with open file. So here we have to select yes, and it will just connect to internet and download the entire Chrome application. It will hardly take 1 minute from now. Okay, downloading is done. Now it will be installed. Installation is also done and Chrome is ready to use. So suppose if I am searching okay, if I am searching YouTube, okay, you can see it is working fine. So Chrome installation and download is done in Windows 11. For more similar type of videos, please subscribe to our channel.